This 2007 Sunline Solaris SR Classic T299 SR is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Bath, Pennsylvania, 18014 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Behtlehem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Sunline is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.